Hey everyone, hello my beautiful family. So it's Mama Does Nails and we're back with another watch me work video on a finger. Oh my gosh. So guys, I have my sisters with me and today I would like to introduce you to the latest member of this family. This is Miss Envy. Envy. Don't hate. Just call her Miss Envy. How beautiful is this? Oh my gosh. So we're going to use Miss Envy today for a little experiment. Now guys, Tia Bella's got this method I've been seeing her using. I'm not quite sure where it originated from, but I also saw Baby Girl Nails use the same method and they are not using Monomer. So then it got me thinking, well, what if you do have Monomer, but you feel like, oh, the bead method, I can't get it, but I still want to use Monomer and I still want to use acrylic. Some of you might just like the smell of Monomer. No names mentioned. But yeah, so if that's the case, I just thought, okay, so like the dip, you have your solution that the base coat, and you put that down and then you can dip the nails or sprinkle, that choice is yours. I didn't dip. I sprinkled because I love the mess. And guys, it worked. So I am naming this the no bead method using a Monomer. I don't know if anyone else has tried this, but I've tried it a couple of times now and it's decent. And I will do a set one day on my hand. I just thought I'd use Miss Envy here to demonstrate the method to the madness. And I used, as you can see, these colors here. So it's not just like, oh, well, it just works with clear, or maybe it just works with, I don't know. I tried to use different colors and I went in with a bit of glitter. So you're welcome to try it. Or if you have already tried it or you've seen someone else try it, then please leave me a comment in the description box because I didn't see it. It was literally just a crazy idea to see. But yeah, let me stop talking and let you get into this video. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you if you're still here. Trust the process, they say. Please let me know if you try this or if you have tried this. The filing and buffing I didn't do on the nail so much because I'm not trying to ruin this finger. Even though you can repair it, but I don't want to ruin it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit of fun, and while you're in the process of still learning how to play with acrylic, you know, you could do this for fun. If you wanted to do dip and set up, for instance, that whole process, try it. Thank you for watching, guys. Sending lots of love to you.